Welcome to Biography Zone. Dive into the captivating lives of the world's most famous and influential figures. Here, we explore the extraordinary journeys of renowned personalities, shedding light on their achievements, challenges, and legacies. Each video offers an in-depth look at the stories that have shaped history and inspired millions. Whether it's groundbreaking scientists, visionary leaders, celebrated artists, or iconic athletes, Biography Zone brings you closer to the people who have changed our world. Subscribe now and embark on a fascinating journey through the lives of the world's most remarkable individuals. Today we know about Sir Isaac Newton. Some life history. Isaac Newton, one of the greatest scientists of all time, was born on January 4, 1643, in Woolsthorpe, Lincolnshire, England. His father, also named Isaac Newton, had died just 3 months before his birth, leaving his mother, Hannah Scove, to raise him. Newton was born prematurely and was so small that he was not expected to survive. However, he thrived and grew to become a towering figure in the world of science. Newton's early years were marked by hardship and turmoil. His mother remarried when he was 3 years old, and Newton was left in the care of his maternal grandmother while his mother moved away with her new husband. Newton's relationship with his stepfather was strained, and he later described his early years as lonely and unhappy. Despite these challenges, Newton showed remarkable intellectual promise from a young age. He attended the King's School in Grantham, where he distinguished himself as a talented student. At the age of 17, he left Grantham to attend Trinity College, Cambridge, where he studied mathematics, physics, and astronomy. Newton's time at Cambridge was transformative. He immersed himself in his studies, devouring the works of contemporary mathematicians and philosophers. He developed a deep interest in the natural world and began to explore questions about the nature of motion and the forces that govern the universe. In 1665, when Newton was just 22 years old, an outbreak of the bubonic plague forced Cambridge University to close its doors. Newton returned to his family home in Woolsthorpe, where he spent the next 2 years in isolation, embarking on what would become his most productive period of scientific inquiry. During this time, Newton made groundbreaking discoveries in mathematics and physics. He developed his theories of calculus, laying the groundwork for modern calculus, and formulated his laws of motion, which revolutionized our understanding of the physical world. He almost made significant contributions to optics, conducting experiments on the nature of light and color that would later form the basis of his seminal work, Optics. In 1667, Newton returned to Cambridge, where he was appointed Lucasian Professor of Mathematics, a position he held for over 3 decades. During this time, he continued to pursue his research with characteristic intensity, publishing numerous papers on subjects ranging from mathematics to optics to astronomy. Newton's crowning achievement came with the publication of his masterpiece, Philosophiae tilde broken bar Naturalis Principia Mathematica, Mathematical Principles of Natural Philosophy. In 1687, in this monumental work, Newton laid out his laws of motion and universal gravitation, which explained the motion of objects both on Earth and in the heavens. The Principia, as it is commonly known, is widely regarded as one of the most important scientific works ever written and cemented Newton's reputation as one of the preeminent minds of his time. In addition to his scientific work, Newton was also deeply involved in public life. He served as a Member of Parliament for the University of Cambridge and held various government positions, including Warden and Master of the Royal Mint. In these roles, Newton played a key role in reforming England's currency and combating counterfeiting. Despite his many accomplishments, Newton's life was not without its challenges. He was known for his prickly temperament and intense rivalries with other scientists, most famously with the German mathematician Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz over the invention of calculus. Newton's disputes with Leibniz and others often turned bitter and acrimonious, tarnishing his reputation in some circles. Newton remained active in his research and writing until the end of his life. He died on March 31, 1727, at the age of 84, leaving behind a legacy that continues to shape our understanding of the universe. Today, Newton is remembered as one of the greatest scientists of all time, a towering figure whose contributions to mathematics, physics, and astronomy have had a profound and lasting impact on the